This is the format of business studies for class 11th. Theory is of 80 marks and project is of 20 marks. Theory contains following topics: nature and purpose of business, what do you mean by business, what are the features of business. Then next chapter is forms of business organization, what do you mean by sole proprietorship, partnership, joint Hindu family business, joint stock company, cooperative society, and how they are different from each other. What do you mean by public and private global enterprises? Next is business services. Next is emerging modes of business. What are the new ways of business like outsourcing, BPO, KPO? All this comes in this chapter. Chapter 6 has social responsibility of business and business ethics towards different parts of society. Chapter 7 is sources of business finance, why business finance is required and what are the different sources from where it can be generated. What do you mean by small business and how government helps small businesses? Chapter 9 is internal trade, which includes wholesalers, types of wholesalers, retailers, and their services towards each other as well as towards manufacturer and consumers. Chapter 10 is in two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 includes export procedure and documents involved in export procedure. Part 2 has import procedure and document involved in import procedure. So this is the format of your business studies this year.